everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm delighted to show you our new arrival here, which is our Rapido V68. So getting stuck into some of the main details about this vehicle, it's 6.36 metres in length, it's 3 berth, it's on the Fiat Ducato chassis of course, with your fully automatic drive, and the layout is your rear single beds at the back with your storage underneath. So starting off with some of the features at the front, we've got our automatic headlights as well as our wipers. You've got lovely panoramic sky view with this vehicle as well. You've got the metallic silver paint, and as well as that you've got your two-tone 16-inch alloys. At this side is your habitation doors. You've got an electric welcome step just underneath that with your awning light. This vehicle does come with the energy pack as well, so you've got a 150 watt solar panel on the roof as well as your lithium battery, so you're kitted out for your off-grid travels. So all of your basics are round at this side. Our hookup here, we've got our Truma flue there, so this vehicle runs off your gas and electric heating. Your toilet cassette and your water inlet. You've of course got the Rapido sort of graphics along the side. So at the back of the vehicle, we've got a reverse camera just above my head here, and then you've got your storage underneath the bed. So one nice thing about this is the fact that you have the shelf. You can take this out depending on what you're obviously going to use the storage for. Your gas lockers is just behind me here. You've got an additional little cupboard there, and you've also got a 3-pin socket in case you need it. So we're into the driver's seat. Some of the features I'm about to talk through are part of the lounge pack and the assist pack that comes with this vehicle. So starting off here, we've got our leather steering wheel with our cruise control. That's actually adaptive cruise control, so it is a wee step up from cruise. You've got your electric park brake there. You have a fully digital cockpit here. So here, and then obviously your infotainment system. So this is a Pioneer infotainment system. You've got your Apple CarPlay with your Android Auto, as well as that you've got your smartphone navigation. Down below is your automatic climate zone, and you've got your lane keep assist as well as your hill descent and your traction plus. This is our main living quarters at the front here. So we've got our 4 seat belts. This is your front dinette. Now there's a little extendable part of the table underneath here. So obviously if you have the 2 chairs swiveled around at the front and the 2 people sitting here, you've got a nice open plan lounge. TV bracket goes there, so if you want to add a TV, work away. And then your control panels here. So this is all fully touchscreen. You can activate all your lighting and your battery levels. And then this is your control panel for your Truma heating, which runs off gas and electric. So over here is the kitchen. You've got your 20-litre oven, which is here. And then you've got your sink, of course, as well as your 2-ring gas burner. So you do have your storage compartments here as well. So these can be unlocked and locked as so. And basically stops them opening up whenever you're driving. And then you've got your overhead lockers here too. So just to the right of me here is our Dometic compressor fridge. I suppose it'd be your left actually, sorry. Just open this up. And then your freezer box. And then the other side is the bathroom. So it is a clever layout in here. Obviously your shower is just there. You can open up this door. That hides your sink and your toilet and gives you all that space then to shower. At the back is our single bed layout. So this is your little infill cushion. You can make that into a double. In the package in here is your 3rd berth kit for the front. And then you can actually lift this out of the way here if you need for storage. So that was our Rapido V68. It's a very popular vehicle and it won't stay in stock for long. So check out full details on the website. And if you have any queries, give us a wee shout on 028 9269 399.